Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money online with Shutterstock. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. If you're a photographer, graphic designer, or a digital artist, Shutterstock offers a great opportunity to monetize your creative work and earn passive income. As one of the leading stock photography platform, Shutterstock connects creators with potential buyers from around the world. Shutterstock is a popular online marketplace for digital media, primarily focused on stock photography, stock footage, and stock music. It provides a platform for photographers, videographers, and musicians to license and sell their creative works to individuals and business worldwide. They offer a vast collection of high-quality image, videos, and illustrations, vectors, and music tracks that can be licensed for various purposes, including website designs, advertising, marketing materials, presentation, and more. Users can search and browse through millions of assets on the platform and purchase license to use them on their project. Now I'm going to teach you two ways on how you could earn in Shutterstock. Now the first way is the most obvious one, is to sell your own images in Shutterstock. You could start selling your image, videos, and music, and you could start earning through the royalty that you earn through Shutterstock. For example, someone wants to use a photo and you have a photo that the person is looking for. Let's say the topic is about a wedding and you have the specific photo that the person is looking for. Now they can buy that image, and when they buy that image, Shutterstock is going to send you like a royalty or like the payment that the person has paid for the specific photo that you have provided. That is the main way how Shutterstock earns for their creators over here. As you can see, we have different types of photos that we are seeing right now, and some people or a lot of people are doing this. As you can see, for example, this one, they're taking photographies, the different trends, or depending on what the trends or the demands are in the current month. Now, the effective way to start earning lots of money in Shutterstock is to start taking photos or have the photos that are in demand for that specific month. And there is a way to know this. Shutterstock has this something called the shot list, or their monthly guide to the most requested content. And we could see it on like a monthly basis. The most requested content in July, as you can see here, you can explore it in this list. Now, if you don't know how to access this, you could either search it in Google itself, then simply say Shutterstock shot list, and you will be redirected to this page over here. And in this section, this is where you will be able to see the different types of shot that are most requested in July. The most requested one is the first list is the off the university over here, and this is a sample picture over here. Class is in session, and storytellers are looking for scenes of students around the world getting ready to turn to college for or arrive for the first time. Basically, there's like a story behind this, like an explanation why people are demanding this type of photos over here, and then it will help you understand what type of photo you're going to create. And as you can see here, let's see first year students at home packing supplies, luggage, and more into cars, then unloading on the campus with the help of parents. That's one example of what you could take a picture of. You could also show them students unpacking in their dorm rooms, decorating, making friends with neighborhoods. There's also framed moments of students reuniting with friends, hugging each other, and hanging out around the campus. And then lastly, scenes of professor and students getting settled in lecture halls and working together in classroom will be in demand. Basically, it's going to give you an instruction or like a specific topic, so you have a very concise and very direct guide on what you should take a picture of. And following this guide, the shot list would allow you to have the highest chance of earning money in Shutterstock. Now, it's not always a guarantee. This is basically like the in-demand stuff, so you have to be unique, and your images should be something that would stand out so that you could start selling or start earning money in Shutterstock. You can also see here when submitting content for this request, you're going to have to include SSTK University in your keyword so that they can easily present this content to your customers. So you have a keyword that will allow other people who are looking for a specific topic easily. There's also workplace representation over here. Representation matters in the media and our users know it. They're requesting images and videos of people with disabilities in workplace environment. They would like to see scenes of a person in a wheelchair leading a meeting in a conference room, looking for content of people with prosthetic limbs at work, like helping a customer in a clothing store, attending a meeting, etc. There's also a depicting of a hearing impaired person communicating with a coworker in sign language, and it's also asking you to ensure that the person's disability is a simple aspect of the photo or video, not a focal point. For example, they don't need to see an entire wheelchair in the frame. Instead, follow the less is more maxim for nuance and authentic portrayals. And then you would need to add this keywords over here. And you also have your decorative illustrations over here. And there's also natural light lifestyle and stuff like that. And by following the shot list right now will allow you to start having the greatest chance of earning in Shutterstock. Now you can also check out previous months over here by clicking on the view previous months over here, and you could choose or see the trending or the shot list of each month over here. As you can see, if ever you would like to do some research, or if you're just interested in knowing what the trendings are like. For example, for June, the most requested in June is Pride Month, because June is a Pride Month. You always class it up over here. Diversity in college and tasty vids over here. Those are the different top requested in June. Now, there's also another way to start earning money in Shutterstock if you're not a photographer, or if you cannot produce images, videos, or music to sell over here. You could start with an affiliate program over here. Now, in the affiliate program, you will be able to earn at least $300 for new customer purchase. This is if ever they purchase on Shutterstock any images over here, as long as they use your affiliate link. Now, the way to easily make the affiliate program very effective is to create your own blog website. For example, when people are usually searching in the internet like top websites to download stock images. Now, these are what people are usually searching, and they would see these options like here, like 9 sites for free business, and all of this other blog websites over here, like different lists and different links. And then you could do the same thing, upload your own and then put your affiliate link for Shutterstock over here. And if ever they do buy on Shutterstock, you will be able to earn $300 per new customer purchase over here. That is one way on how you will be able to earn money through affiliate. There's also more information over here, like you would earn a generous 20% revenue share on the net sales amount when new customers make an image, footage, or music purchase over here. There's also like more instructions over here, like an about, and to help you understand being an affiliate partner with Shutterstock. There's different ways. You're not limited to doing the blog websites over here. The strategy is completely up to you, but that is one of the ways to earn money in Shutterstock. Now, as a recall, we have the uploading photos, uploading videos, and uploading music to start earning on Shutterstock, selling your own outputs, and by being an affiliate in Shutterstock. Now, you could do both of these together to maximize your earning potential, and your strategies are depending on you. I'm just showing you the ways to start earning in Shutterstock. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.